to feed you in the garage because it's raining. Come on, sweetheart. Let's just go back inside. There's Gray Girl. Yep, go back in. I got food. I do. Good morning, Gray Girls. Come on. Come over here. We'll let Tux out. Hi, sweetheart. Good morning. It's nice and dry in here. You're gonna go get your paper in the rain.
Won't get all wet.
Be quick.
I'll try to
be safe.
I will. Yes, ma'am.
So, I don't know, 10 years ago or so, this Batman set came out. It's set 7785 Arkham Asylum. My recollection is that the minifigures, the Arkham Asylum van got put together, and all of the minifigures, but not the actual kind of haunted castle part. So most of this set has never been put together, and I'm going to work on it this morning. I'm going to drive the van up to meet Michelle because I don't want to get Ruby or Jules wet. They're both perfectly clean right now, and it's just no reason to do that. So, and the van needs to be driven every once in a while anyway. So, right. Dawn's going to go disconnect the battery minder and pull it up closer to the house for me, and I am packing up my Lego project until later this afternoon. I don't want little kitty paws to have too much fun while I'm gone, you know.
You guys stay. I gotta go bye-bye and it's still raining. You stay. I didn't mean to wake you up. It's raining, buddy. It's not that I don't want to visit, but it's raining and I'm late to meet Michelle. Oh.
Hey girl, I guess we're lucky it's not raining heavy. I'll take this light rain.
Yes, what I got for you.
What do you have for me?
You get to make a baby Yoda.
Yay, it's a Lego looking thing. Yay.
Yep. It's so cute. And I haven't seen it in Lego, so I don't know where people are getting these, but I'm buying them.
Okay. Off eBay?
On Poshmark.
Okay. I can't help it. I have to look at the Halloween books. I still have all of the boys' Halloween books in the attic in storage bins waiting for someday. Dawn needs that shirt. I came, I ate, I took a nap. Turkey. Little by little, I'm helping to clean out the Lego shelf. There's just a few bins left. Wow, that is really pretty.
Marianne was like, oh, are you cold? I'm like, no, this is a raincoat.
You know I'm a sucker for owls. I've added quite a few new things over here today. I would love to get this, but they are really putting too high of a price on them now. Cat flag, black cat flag #1, and black cat flag #2. Just to make it very clear, Michelle and I are having a good time in here today. I love it. I love it. I like the owl wreath, but not for 7. The cart's getting kind of full of good stuff. This one's been come down from 199 to 168. It's nice. Shell does not pass up storage, and that whole thing is 20 bucks. That's a good price. It's a pumpkin spice apron. So cute. There you go. I have on my Scooby shirt today because I'm building that haunted mansion thing, and you know Scooby-Doo's got all the spooks and stuff, but she rubs us. If I wanted to wear a haunted house, I think that would be the shirt. Getting wet, but one of us has on an actual legitimate rain jacket.
Who was making fun of me? Why am I wearing a coat?
Yeah. Well, it's raining pretty good now. Not monsoon, but pretty good. I passed an Amazon Prime van just a minute ago by the environmental park. It was a Dodge Ram this time. I kind of got mixed feelings about Amazon ditching UPS especially, and I guess the Postal Service. Whether that will really be a good thing for all of us or not. Yeah, when I pulled up, I could see the light was on in the garage. That and Rosie, the doorbell ring, had been going off. I figured that was Don in and out of the garage a couple times. But he's working on another LED light. He said he wants more light up over his toolbox here.
Right.
I got my Guardian Angel purchases put away. Hi, Nighttime. You gonna keep me company? I'm gonna get back to my Lego project. Got a little time before dinner.
Alright.
Don says we can test it. I'm not worried. Oh wow, that's nice. So when I'm doing my Lego stuff over here on this side, you put that up for me?
That's right. Well, I couldn't see my tool. A lot of times I only have that light on, and I'd always want to look in my toolbox and I can't see. So I said, well, you know, we only have like 100 of these. I mean, we just got like an... And so that little nice...
I like it. I like it a lot, actually.
Yeah, the squitch is actually secured with screws, and obviously these things are secured with screws. So that's, you could argue that's permanent. And the only thing I need to do is put a little sticker or something on here to tell people that this is a single-ended. It's the only single-ended one we have. I made the single-ended, but they sell single-ended tubes. So if this one ever burns out, we need to put it another single-ended.
We can.
Tube in here.
I am all the way done with book 1. Part of the reason is that the ambulance was already put together, and that's a pretty major piece. Tomorrow is book 2, which includes the fence, which is already done, and I'm not sure whether the motorcycle was in book 1 or book 2, but also there's a tower that goes over here, and then there's another tower that goes over here. It just makes the building bigger, or look bigger. So that's tomorrow. That'll be tomorrow. There are a couple of interesting features here. Since this is a prison, an Arkham Asylum, you got to have a way to let the prisoners in and out of the facility. And that's what that does right there. And then also, there's another slider here which puts the gate into or not in front of the door. There is a gate piece that's also sliding in there, so pretty cool. The only thing missing that I can tell is the Batman minifigure, and I'm just going to guarantee you that I won't have too much trouble finding that in my minifigure bin, so I will go look for Batman.